Hello guys, today I have new birds here. I buy something new. It's first time when I have what is in the box. I want to show you something very interesting. Also, can you try to find what is here, what is inside this box? I have new birds. It are not pigeon. Here I will show you later. I put here some of, hey girl, please go from here, please girl. I have here some of my Indian fantails because I prepared them for the next show. Next week I will have a show here with this pigeon. I will go in the exposition to present to the public, to the people. But here I have new birds, so give me a big like for what's in the box. It's a surprise also for me because it's first time when I will have a bird like this. Are very interesting, and also they stay just in the pair, male and female. They are called partridge. They are also found in the nature, also here in my country and around Europe, around America, everywhere, United States. Where are you? I don't know. I have here two pair, one standard and one different white. I will put it separate. I will put here in this aviary, this part of aviary. I want to make this just for exotic birds. I don't know, maybe exotic pigeon, also this partridge. So I will put here, I will take, opa, stay, come on. I hope, what's this? Yes, okay. So here I have this. I don't know if it's a male. I believe it's the male. Yes. This called partridge. In my language it's potornike. This is the male. I hope to be pair because I buy this in this morning from an old man. I was at his house, and he told me it's pair, so I hope don't be fool. This is the male. He showed me here this part. It's a young male, so I'll put it here. Whoop. Look, very nice. And we have also the female. Hope to be female because in general they look the same almost, but don't have this part. This is the female. A little bit, it's a little bit shorter. Wow. This is the female. Yep. No problem for pigeon. They can stay together, but these two I will put it back on the last loft aviary because these two are a pair, and I put here for breeding. I will stay here. They will stay here more 2-3 days, and after we'll put it back. Yeah. So this looks very interesting. These new birds for me is perfect, the space for them. I put it here, water, food, cereals. Also, if you see here, I make some new changes in this part. In the first part I put here this pigeon, fantail pigeon, because this birds in 4 days next week I will go with this and more of them to the exposition show here in my country. I will go with birds, with pigeon, with curly pigeon, fantail pigeon, and also moorhead pigeon, and with chabu chickens to the exposition. I will film there. I will make a vlog when I will show them to the people in the boxes. But here they will stay 4 days more because they are separate to be clean, because I need to clean their fences because was a little bit dirty, some of them, and here will be single birds. But these are 4 chickens. I put it here in the line. I put also this because in the future, nearly future, I will put here new birds. But for the moment they stay perfectly here. No baby in the boxes, in the nest like that. Yeah, you can show my pigeon. These are female, 1, 2, 3 female. This also is a female, and also this is a female. This is a male, and the male are going inside. I will go to show with 10 like this Indian fantail, 10 birds for the show. These are one of my best birds, but not the best because I have more birds than this, better, but because of small difference in this moment I cannot take them. But these are very good. If you see the good position, they don't afraid. This is a male, a blue one. Also in that space I have here also this bird I will take to the show. This and another one from here I will put it in the show, but the rest of them from here, the Indian fantails, are for sale. I will sell this bird because I have so many. These are young birds from the last year. Also I need to do this again. In the next part I will put, I believe, here the birds, but I want to show I want to put in the last one, but for the moment I will put it here. So let's see the male and the female. Hop, 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 hop. Yo, you have so much power in your feet. This is the male because have this is white, but for me look like yellow. I believe it's dirty. It's white, but it's a little bit dirty in this moment. Very nice birds. It's first time when I have like this. Whoop, no. No problem. Okay, and this need to be the female. This is the female. This, now I see, have a big problem here. This, I didn't see it, but yeah, have a little problem at the, no problem. Okay, but in the rest look very nice, the bird. Okay, it's just dirty. It's very dirty because that man have many of this in the small space. Okay, so these are the new birds from my shelter. I like to have some different exotic animals here in the shelter, but I don't know, will be something new for me. This, you see, they are the same size like the pigeons. They have the same size, the same size. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoy. For me, it's very interesting, these birds. In the future, I want to buy also here. I want to change here, to bring some new different plants, natural plants here inside the shelter, to put something special to look better inside the shelter. Also nest up there, and some 2-3 pairs, exotic pair of birds. Yeah, and that's the video for today. That's the vlog. You can help me with a big like, big surprise. Also, I can show you, just a moment, I want to show you the baby pigeon from there, because they grow a little bit. Okay, the small baby pigeon start to have a small fence. I put the rings. These are from the last year, because the new rings for this year I don't have it yet. I ordered them. So these are the babies. Yeah, hope to grow better. Good, no problem. Mama care them. Yeah, guys, so again, this is the vlog for today. See you next time with the next episode. Ciao.